In this video, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails like the Infographics Show using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, log into your Pikzels AI account and head to the dashboard. The secret here is using the Styles feature. So click on Styles and then Create Style. Choose YouTube channel if you want to train directly from the Infographics Show thumbnails, or choose Upload Images if you already saved several sample thumbnails. Select at least 3 to 5 infographic style thumbnails. Then click Generate so Pikzels can learn that exact visual format. Once the style is finished training, go back to New Chat and make sure your new infographic style is selected. Now type a prompt that fits this kind of thumbnail, usually something with illustrated characters, bold title text, simple backgrounds, and bright eye-catching colors. You can click Enhance Prompt to improve the AI description, then hit Generate. Pikzels will create a thumbnail that follows that animated infographic look. If you want a different variation, click Redo. If you need extra elements, use Edit, select the area, type what you want added or changed, and generate again. Keep adjusting until it has that clean educational thumbnail feel, then download it. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.